Hello everyone. On the table you see Rubik cubics from 2x2 to 13x13. The biggest one is already weight 600 grams. Now I bought two extra, 14x14 and 15x15, which weighs over 1 kilo. I don't know exactly how much, but I will buy till the end, till 21 later on, next year, maybe 2026. And I will explain you the thing. You can also put together all these Rubik cubics. And to put together all the biggest Rubik cubics, doesn't matter which size, 21 to 21, you only need to know how to do it. These four Rubik cubics: 2x2, 3x3, 4x4 and 5x5. 2x2 Rubik's cube contains only two formulas, and these formulas will be not used anywhere else. They are different, and just if you want you can learn that to do it. We start from 3x3. 3x3 contains 7 formulas. I counting minimum formulas, which one you will use for later on Rubik's. And it contains 7 formulas, what you need to learn. And later you will use it for the rest, for all the cubes. 4x4 contains extra 5 formulas. 5 formulas extra you need to learn. That will be some long important formulas. That will include 12 steps formula and 15 steps formula, which we will use for the rest Rubik cubes also. That's already 7 formulas, 5 formulas, and 5x5 you also need to learn. That means this extra contains 3 formulas. That means 7, 5, 3 is 15 formulas. And with these 15 formulas, that's a minimum what I counted, you can do all the rest Rubik cubes in the world. It doesn't matter size, it's only matter time. 2x2, it's like a cherry on your pie. It's up to you, you want to learn or not. You can call me specialistas. That's my hobby, and expensive hobby. And I will upload all these 15 videos step by step on TikTok channel and YouTube channel. See you someday.